Today we're taking a look at the Yoton Y3 Mini Movie Projector. Now usually I'd tell you the price towards the end of a video, but for £33 at the time of this upload, I really do hope that it does live up to the reviews on Amazon. Looking at the design on the front of the box, it doesn't look too bad actually. It's got a nice clean look. I do love that retro wood effect around the lens. But you know what, let's head on in, open this thing up, and I've got to say that everything comes fairly well protected and packaged, so it will be secure in transit. And initially you do get a detailed instruction manual to guide you through an easy setup. You will obviously receive the Yoton Y3 Movie Projector itself. It comes in this super white colour tone. Oh, hang on a minute. The lens surround on this particular unit is in matte grey. That's a shame really. I would have loved to have seen the wood effects version. Hey, and that's quite handy. It comes with its very own built-in stand, so you can use the mini movie projector on a tabletop surface should you wish. And you know what? The whole unit weighs only 317 grams. It's really light. It does have those physical control buttons to the top. Don't worry, we've got a remote with this unit. But to the left, we've got a manual zoom function, as well as, I guess, a speaker. If we flip to the right side, we've got plenty of ventilation too, as well as the power port. To the rear of the unit, you've got that USB 2.0 port, so you can utilise memory sticks. It apparently also supports iOS and Android cable connection. So you hopefully will be able to project your mobile phone through the projector. Although an dongle adapter is not included and may need purchasing after. We've also got a headphone jack for those wired headphones, or in fact a wired 3.5mm speaker. If you want to, you can place in a TF memory card, play those movie files right off it, and you also have an option of an IR receiver extender port, and lastly you get one singular HDMI port. Now not only do you have this built-in stand, but you can also use the mounting hole on the bottom of the Yoton projector, as it does support ceiling mounting. Let's go ahead and connect it by first connecting that HDMI cable supplied, as well as that very welcoming UK power brick. After placing in 3 AAA batteries into that slimline remote control, let's power the unit on. And after the Y3 movie projector is initially switched on, you will need to adjust the screen size depending on how near or far the movie projector is placed away from the wall, or in fact a movie projector screen. But don't worry, it does come with its very own built-in auto adjustments too, which will allow you to project images on ceilings and on conversion attic roofs too. Again, you've got that manual adjustment to the left hand side of the unit. We've already adjusted it to adjust the image quality, but if you look at the main menu, you've got options to choose that wired connection to utilise your iOS mobile device and project straight off the mobile through the projector itself. You have media selection too, that allows files to be played right off a USB stick. We obviously have that HDMI selection, and lastly you've got the settings where you can set the screen ratio, use that window zoom setting to adjust the size of the screen, here we go, that's much better. That screen size right now is around about 80 inches. It does have auto keystone, auto trapezoidal and auto vertical keystone correction too. Not only that, you can flip the image of the screen upside down, again in case you want to use this projector on an overhead ceiling mount. You can fine tune the picture settings. We're going to go with dynamic mode, and after connecting an Android TV box to the projector, we honestly were surprised at the initial quality of the imagery when playing movies through this tiny Yoton Y3 projector. We were able, again, to throw up an 80-inch cinematic, pretty clear and bold image. The colours do pop. With what I would say is 720p video quality. You don't get any shadowing on the corners, which is quite pleasing to see. But the only thing I would say is the red colours do seem to be ever so slightly intense and slightly oversaturated. It does depend on the movie which you're watching, but I would say though that the imagery did get a bit better while watching live TV. And when we did, everything felt fresh, pretty crisp. And when it comes to music videos, you did feel like you could really have a proper good party while using that Yoton Y3 projector as a video music entertainment system. The only other thing I would say is the speaker is a tiny bit tinny sounding. No bass whatsoever. But I suppose you could attach a soundbar should you wish. Nope, sadly, the Yoton Y3 projector doesn't come with Bluetooth or wireless connection. But to quickly sum this Yoton Y3 Mini Movie Projector up, for £33 you definitely can't go wrong. If you're looking for a massive cinema-style projector image with a projector unit that won't take up too much space, I certainly can recommend it. It is a really good product, especially for a kid's bedroom, cozy living space, or in fact, an American-style hallway entrance, like this one right here. So yes, you can throw up a cozy, snowy, window-style image, like the one showing on screen just now. Ooh, snug as a bug. For that price, I don't really think you can go wrong. I mean, okay, yes, it's 720p, it's not 4K, but if you're wanting a quick fix, say for a caravan, holiday home, or if you're taking this on holiday or a hotel, throw it in your suitcase. Also throw in a smart TV box like this one, yes, and you're good to go. Now I've left a link in the video description down below so you can check this Y3 Mini Movie Projector out for yourself. But let me know what you guys think. Have you got one of these movie projectors? And what's your experience using it? Comment in the comment section. But if you feel like what you've seen in this video, well, why not go get yours? If you're in that video description, why not take a moment to like and share this video? Subscribe to us just now, it only takes a second. And bear in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, there's 2 previous fascinating tech reviews showing on screen just now. Click either one of them, and until next time, I'll catch you guys in a bit. Peace.